Just wanted to let you know that you are amazing, special, and capable of anything. Thank you for watching this video and taking a positive step for your learning. So today we are looking at circumference. So circumference is just a fancy way for saying perimeter around a circle. So distance around a circle. And in order to do that, we need to talk about pi. Now, what is pi? Pi is a ratio or a special number that helps relate a circle's diameter. Diameter is a distance across a circle to its distance around it. And this special number or constant or ratio is 3.14. So that's going to come in super handy. And if you don't have a calculator in the test, you use 3.14 to approximate for pi. Pi is actually a never-ending number. They've never actually found the end of the number pi, so that's a super cool fact for you. Alright, so today we're going to find out how to find the perimeter around a circle, or the distance, the circumference around a circle. And the way that you do it is the circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Pi times diameter. And diameter is the distance across a circle, one end to the other, crossing the middle. But sometimes you don't get the diameter, you get this halfway mark instead, which is the radius. So if you've got a radius, how do you find the diameter? Times that by 2. So that's why we've got the second formula here. 2 times radius equals diameter. But 2 radiuses is just the diameter. So just remember C equals pi times D. And you're going to be all Gucci. So let's try some questions here. Circumference is pi times D. Alright, but we've got a radius here. So how do we find the diameter? Times that by 2. So 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 is 7. So your circumference is pi times 7. I did a little sneaky calculation on my calculator. So that comes to 21.98 meters. So the distance around the circle is 21.98. Woo, go us. Next one here. Circumference is pi times diameter. Pi times 4. The diameter distance across the circle is 4. So 4 times pi, you can use, there is a pi button on your calculator, so have a look for it. That comes to 12.56 centimeters. Don't forget your units. How good's that? So the main thing to know from this lesson is that circumference is the distance around a circle. The diameter is across the circle, crossing the middle, and radius is half of that distance, so from the middle out. So if you want to change a radius to a diameter, you just times it by 2. Now there's actually a super handy way to remember how to get the circumference of a circle. It's the pi song. But it'll be better if you saw this in real life than me singing it right now. So let's go and watch it.
Pass the pi real fast, I need it for my math. D times 3.14, circumference is a blast. Pass the pi real fast, I need it for my math. D times 3.14, circumference is a blast.